Hello and welcome back to my Valencia rebuilding series, and it's been a while. I've been sick, so that's why. And we lost against Granada here. Our second loss. I don't remember that much. Isco scored a penalty goal apparently. Don't remember that much of the match, but I think this is... yeah, I'm pretty sure... choose all of those. So we have Liverpool, and then we will do... oh, right, there are not even that many matches, are there even any? That's annoying. I forgot about that. So might do Shakhtar and Liverpool next. Or I guess we will see how we do. Oh great, first match. New year we meeting. So how many matches are we even going to play here? 1, 2... there were 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going with this lineup. Oh, we probably have to. No, okay. Oh, there were earlier matches, of course. So yeah, just gone so freaking long just to simulate. I've simulated 8 seasons so far, but so we are going with Mama Darchawil, Renald Correa, Diakabi, Gaia, Guillermo, Van der Beek, Isco, Vallejo. Loaded up or set up everything, because before I had set it up, but I had not the database for Holland there. So it will be very interesting how good match we will do here today. I expect Liverpool to be a pretty good team, so don't really know if we even... so yeah, we will just see what we will do here. So far no chances whatsoever. What match did we have after this match here? We have Vallecano in the league. Gaia, Van der Beek, Hugo, Guillermo, Gaia, Diakabi, Van der Beek, Rafael Mir, Isco out here on the wing, crossing into Euro, that scores! Isco with a lovely cross there into Euro. What a signing. He was very cheap. Look at what low XC we're scoring on as well as usual. Mama Dacha will intercept here though. Still holding up the ball really well here. Thierry Randell and Rafael Mir, and we're 2-0 up against... I know this is at home, but still not expecting us to just have Liverpool. They haven't even had the one chance here so far, so I'm kind of shocked. These two strikers have been really good so far. Man, yeah, Robinson. They still have Salah left, surely. So 5 shots on target, 6 in total, 2 just for Liverpool, and very low XG there. It feels like we might actually win this match. Van der Beek 6.8, not brilliant, but I don't see any reason why we should change the lineup here. And we've been pretty dominating, even in shot wise here. Kind of surprising how I mean, they have high press and such, so I don't understand why they haven't really created anything. Let's get in Ceballos as well, see what he can do here. Vallejo or Isco, maybe getting Isco out as well. Okay, he's actually... oh well, let's get out Vallejo then. I'm sorry for out the back. Oh, still only 2 shots there. Have they even created anything? Giroud wins the ball there, and it is Isco again, and he scores! 3-0 against Liverpool. What a shock really for Liverpool here. They can't be happy about that. They probably didn't expect to win this match. Raul Thomas, let's get... since he hasn't really played that much. Now they're coming back in the game like last 20 minutes. I wouldn't even be surprised. They are such a good team. So Jones? Is it Jones? In the middle. Alexander Arnold. Capu. Oh, so he saves it again there. Real nice. Robertson. Salah, and they score, and it's 3-1 now. Yeah, this is what I'm worried about. If they actually get shot and they score. Here we have a corner though. Cleared away by Liverpool though. Isco, and it's Musa, and it's 4-1. Or is it offside? It might be offside actually and not count as a goal. I guess we will see here. It will not be offside. It will be a goal there. And checking Andrew Robertson. And we are still leading here, and we're going to win this match. What a brilliant performance. Isco has been brilliant here. Maybe it isn't finished. I'd rather sell Ceballos because he's still not doing it great though. So yeah, I guess we will see each other soon again for the Monaco game. But a great performance here to begin with. Champions League, back in the Champions League with Valencia. See you all soon again. Okay, we are back here for the Champions League match against Monaco. Oh, I don't want to show the thing we already done. Vallecano, bottom of the table. We rotated here, totally. Raul de Tomas actually scored a goal and an assist. Pobega with an assist as well here. It goes just through and it's totally alone. Pretty funny as well. Falcao for Vallecano scored the late goal there. Raul Tomas on lovely free kick there. And then we had Marcos Andre. I don't know why I doubted what it was called there. And then here we have Falcao, still going strong. I wonder how old he is. Is he 36 or is he just 35 or something? 36. Okay. Yeah, his physicals are not that great. So yeah, Monaco way. Yeah, Ceballos still playing shit. So I think we're going to sell him in the transfer window, to be fair. Yeah, he's not going to get the chance here at least. So going with Madashraville. It was said Ribeiro got injured just right before the match, so that was why I couldn't play him in the league match there. Renald Correa, Diakibi Nyambe, I think he's better there. Gaia Guillermo, Van der Beek is deep line playmaker. He didn't play that good. Vallejo, Isco, Giroud, and Mir. So very similar to last match there. Actually, I have a away tactic, but I actually went for the home tactic since where 4 strike is probably the best for Raul Thomas and Marcos Andre to actually get some game. So yeah, it's going pretty good. I guess I can show you the La Liga table after this, even if it's still going to be so little games played. Hugo, Van der Beek, Hugo, Giroud, Vallejo, Thierry, Randall, and Rafael Mir, and we are up 1-0 after just 3 minutes. We are just brilliant, it seems like. I almost feel, I did not feel that in the beginning of the season, but I almost feel like we can win the league. I think it was Real Madrid that lost a point in the league and just got a draw. And we looked really stable, even if we play with a reserve team in last match. I wouldn't even be surprised, to be fair. Isco, Gaia, Isco, Giroud, oh, lovely strike there outside of the penalty area, or outside the box. Gaia, Isco and Gaia here. And Giroud is out there and shoots. 3 shots, 2 goals. And we still haven't seen anything from Monaco here. 1 shot so far. He wins a free kick here, not too bad. Kolasinac, has he gone there? And he's out. Okay, just a straight red card. I wasn't expecting that. Gaia. No, he's a good free kick taken. Rafael Mir, but I think this might be offside, sadly. Disallowed, yeah. It is offside. Yeah, he is offside, definitely. So very exciting. It's just annoying. It's just going to be annoying when we get to December. There, I'm going to be able to record and play through the 2 episodes for the week, but then it's just going to be a hassle to go through the rest there. Ooh, Van der Beek. I don't know. He's playing at 6.7. I guess it's not too bad now, but it's not. I want them to do more. Maybe it's more of a box-to-box. I'm going to try out every position of him until we find something that actually sticks and he plays good there. Fun to see as well, Vallejo getting a chance here. I mean, I haven't seen anything from Ceballos suggesting. I played them fully in the last match, give him a full match because, oh well, playing him to see if he can do something. Oh, that's a great run by Giroud and picking up the ball there. Probably shouldn't get out him. I don't know if we even have anyone that can play winger here. I guess you are kind of that role, Thomas. I guess you have to play her anyway. It's like I have too many other choices. Oh, free now. But they're going to check this. But I can already see that it stands, so that's kind of silly. Giroud to win another goal there. This is what is key at. Headings. What a signing. What a brilliant signing. Costs like nothing. Now he's man of the match. And he has Pobega. I don't know. I think we getting you out. Getting Marcos André in. You're still old. You're still old. What kind of pass was that? Van der Beek just passing back to the goalkeeper. That seems really silly of you. Ooh, that's really good run by Raul Thomas. They're playing in a totally wrong position here. Right back, we could switch out. The time has been man of the match here. 8.2. I think, yeah, he's done 2 assists actually. Or Van der Beek. I'm just disappointed in him. I feel like he can do so much more. I signed them a transfer deadline night. Now it feels like a waste as well. Well, Mir has definitely been a success. Ben, what is it called? Bertrand Traoré there. Kau Hendrik Volland. Oh well, they don't have that bad place. So I think it's like 5 matches or something like that until I can do record the next episode. That's at least a good thing. It's going to not take that long. The Jakobi, great through ball. Marcos André and Van der Beek scores! There is something. 4-1. I was dominating this. Look how many shots we have as well. Away. And playing just cautious. Sure, we don't have the possession, but still fairly close there. Very impressive wing play or offensive here. Isco has been very much not in the game though. That's the only negative I can... okay. So we're 3rd here, as you can see. We are... Barcelona, yeah, they are there, down there. Rafael Mir score, leading goal scorer, Gaia. Best average rating. Granada is up here. That's kind of surprising. Real Betis is undefeated so far. Only 5 goals conceded as well. We will see if they will keep up this. But we are 3rd, so not too bad. For some reason we are favorite to win the league. I still don't understand that. Even if we strengthen up the team. I don't think some... like better than Real Madrid, no. Maybe better than Barcelona, but not better than Real Madrid. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good tea and a good coffee day, and the next episode will probably be the Shakhtar and Liverpool. So yeah, we will see if we can do as good Champions League matches there as we did today. So yeah, bye!